In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to change labels. So when you're going from one size of label to another, you must perform this process in order for the printer to know the label length. This is important when going from rectangle to round or short to long, etc. So first of all, we'll go through loading a label into the printer. So the first thing you do is at the back of the machine, find the power switch and turn the printer off. Okay, you know it's off by on the front of the printer there will be no lights illuminated. When the printer's off, open the cover. Using the head open lever, open the head lever. At the back of the machine we've got the label roll holder. This is adjustable and self-centered, so by squeezing the green lever we can move this in and out depending on the width of the label. Because I'm going to load a wide label, I'm going to open it all the way up. I'm going to take my new roll of labels, I'm going to place it in, I'm going to push, make sure the labels come off the roll the right way up. So in other words, not upside down. You want to be able to see the label as it's coming off the roll. Place it into the whole roll holder, squeeze the guide and bring it in so it's central. So this now holds this roll in position. We're going to open the head all the way up and we're going to take the media from underneath. In the base of the machine are two green guides, and these are opened up by pressing the button on the right hand one, and again these move centrally. So open them all the way up and place your labels underneath the guides. Then bring these together so that they touch either side, holding your label in position. Once all that's loaded, close your print head, making sure your ribbon is taut by turning the gear. Push down on the two flats until you get a nice click. That is the label loaded. Now when we close the head and turn the printer on, the printer's now going to do a calibration process. It's going to teach itself the size of the label, and this is the important part that you need to do whenever you change label size. Okay, so now the printer's calibrated. Every time we press the feed, it will feed exactly one label and stop in the right place. And it also means that every time you print, the print area will be the full size of the label. So now let's change to a smaller label. So remember, turn the printer off, change the label, get the next label size. In this instance it's going to be a smaller round label. Place it on the guide, squeeze the green lever, bring the guides together till it touches both sides of the media. Take the label underneath, lay it flat in the base, pressing the green button, or the black button on the green guides. Bring these guides over the top of the media so it holds it in the center. Close the head, ensuring to take up any slack on the ribbon. Press on the two flats to the click. That's the printer loaded. Close the lid, turn the printer on. Wait for it to do the calibration. When the calibration is finished, it's then ready for that label size. There we go. So anytime you change the labels, turn the printer off, change the label size, turn the printer back on, and it will be ready for operation. If you're changing the roll to the same size, you do not need to follow this process, but it is good practice. Thank you.